On one quiet night, while Yusuf was reading about space and physics, he heard a strange sound coming from his backyard. He rose with curiosity to discover the source of the sound and found a strange glowing orb as if it were a small meteor that had descended from the sky. He approached cautiously and touched it with his fingertips. Suddenly, he felt a slight electric shock, and everything around him changed. Yusuf opened his eyes to find himself in a strange place, as if in the depths of space. He was floating among the stars, and a few steps away, he saw a strange figure, a being made of light. This creature said to him, "Welcome, Yusuf. I chose you because you contemplate the universe and seek its secrets. Today, I will show you how the laws of physics operate throughout this universe." With astonishment and excitement, Yusuf said, "What, you? And how can I understand all this?" The creature replied, "I am a messenger from a distant planet. My mission is to open your eyes to the greatness of God's creation through the laws of the universe." Then, the amazing show began. Yusuf saw a planet orbiting a star in front of him and asked, "Why doesn't the planet fall into the star?" The creature said, "This is due to gravity, the force that binds everything in the universe. Gravity here acts like an invisible tether, similar to your string when you spin a ball without letting it go." And Yusuf remembered the verse, "Indeed, Allah holds the heavens and the earth lest they cease." Surah Fatiha 41. Then, Yusuf moved to a whole galaxy. He saw millions of stars swirling in magnificent spirals and asked, "How does this entire system remain harmonious without colliding?" The creature smiled and said, "Each star moves in its precise orbit, and this harmony is created by God. The laws of motion and energy preserve this system, so there is no chaos or disorder." In the end, Yusuf returned to planet Earth, but the being took him inside a drop of water through a strange technique. He saw atoms and molecules moving energetically and wondered how this small system could be so precise. The being answered, "The laws that govern atoms are the same ones that govern the stars. God has made the entire universe an open book for humanity. Both the small and the large indicate his power." Yusuf suddenly woke up in his bed as if the event was a dream, but he felt something strange. He was holding a small piece of that glowing orb in his hand. He looked at it and said, "Maybe it wasn't a dream." Since that day, Yusuf dedicated his life to studying physics, not just as a science, but as a spiritual journey to understand God's greatness in his creation. He began to view every physical phenomenon as a sign inviting him to contemplate the Creator, and he became convinced that reflection on science is the greatest path to worship God.